Hello everyone. Welcome to a new Financial Eagles trading session. Hello, Miguel.
Everyone. So let's start with US 30. As we can see, Hala, the US 30, it moved big move. The buy like it was from this area. You can hear me, guys?
Yes.
Okay. The buy from this area was super amazing after like retesting this area. Okay, and then pushing up, breaking here. And look at this candle, it closed. Your buy from this candle. You can take it with the wick fill, or you can take it from this area if you don't want to take wick fill. So that's a big push. So now I'm expecting a retracement, but I need good confirmation for the retracement, guys. And it's a bullish push, so I need good confirmation for the sell. Okay. So now I'm gonna wait. The sell, I'm gonna take it like second candle or third. We will see the volume to break the previous one as going as a retracement on the Fibonacci up, like with this big move. Okay. The buy, I'm gonna wait to see how it's gonna react. If it's gonna go down, the buy, it's gonna be different. Because if I see a reversal from the Fibonacci, okay, if I see like a push down to this area and then reversing, that's my buy gonna be. And that's how I'm gonna catch the buy, not from this area right now. And I need a retracement. Maybe it's gonna be over here. And I always work with the market. Okay, so that's the sell I'm gonna take. The buy, I'm gonna wait. I need a retracement at least before continuing from here. Okay, that's daily. Okay, not like 1 hour. Okay, let's see. Here still, that's why I'm telling you we need good confirmation for the sell. We need to see because that might break up. You know that might continue the way up. The S30 is like crazy, so it might continue all the way up. Okay, so I'm gonna wait. هون بلشنا like if you can see the volume is being there, but this candle, let's see this candle how it's gonna close. And if it break over here and close bullish, that's still too much bullish. Okay, so that's for now for what I'm looking at. Okay, let's go to the gold. The gold. Look at this push. I'm gonna wait here because if you can see that's a high. Okay, lower high, and then lower high. That's a small. Okay, that's the last you can say. Okay, like it broke it with the bullish and now retesting down. And if it reversed and pushed up, that's a great confirmation that it's reversing the trend. Okay, it's reversing and then continuing the bullish at least to retest those highs, and we will see how it's going to be. Like I always tell you, gold, it's more fundamental. So, and then breaking this area. Okay, like again, it goes down, break this liquidity area. If you can see, look at this wick, and let's see. Break it, but not like one way. Let's see how it's gonna be this candle. Let's go daily. Okay. If the candle opened, made the wick up, and then going down, okay, that's a great like to sell it. Okay, that's a high, and then creating a lower high. And walk with the market. Walk how the market is moving. Okay. But I will see this after pushing down and retesting on all those lows, like it opened, made the wick down, and then pushing up. That means that candle was a retracement, like the market like stopped a bit and then pushing up, breaking it. Okay, that's on the daily. On the 4 hours, we'll see it more as a retracement and then pushing up. Okay, that's all that the high here. So let's see, like see on the fundamentally too much. Okay, let's go to. So that's what I'm gonna. That's for the buy and the sell, guys. Okay. Okay, GJ. I mean, GJ pushing bullish. That's a great like move. Look at the market, guys. It goes up. It retraced. Okay, it goes up. It retraced. It goes up like waves. Boom. Every like up move, there's like retracement. So let's see now. I'm not gonna put any buy right now until I see even like coming good retracement. And I don't risk it to take it as buy. Look at this area. And it's walking like between those channels. So let's see. I'm not gonna take a buy from here. Okay, it's gonna like hit here and then push down. Okay, and I'm not like the sell. It's I will take it. I will because look at this target. Like it surely it will do at least 60 pips. That's the first hit. Okay, so you secure as an intraday, like you secure the TP1 and TP2 as an intraday. And for the swing, you leave like TP3 and TP4 and the runners as much as like the TPs. Okay, plus on like for the buy, I need a better retracement to take the buy. I'm not gonna risk it and take it, and even it might do it, but I'm not gonna risk the buy right now. Okay, so that's I'm gonna see on the daily. Okay, see 4 hours. Come in, let's see it. Watch it. It's good. It's a good one. And we will send everything. Yes, all the order. Euro. Let's see Euro come in. It's moving big time. Like those days. That's a monthly trend. That's a weekly trend. So that look at this, guys. Look at the trends. How much? Wow. Look at this double top. And even you catch it after retesting. That's why, if you remember the last session, I told you most of the time when it do a high, okay, it retrace and then retest the same high and push down again. That's the great sells you can like catch, especially on the trend. Look at this fall, all this fall. For positions traders, like you leave it for long, that's gonna be like that one. That's 2000 like on euro, like leaving positions. There's traders, they take those big positions. Okay, on the daily, in euro, there's not big volume in it. Yani I need to see that was because of the news, this big move. So now it might goes up like look like this one. Okay, I'm gonna wait like for the buy. Don't you can take it as an intraday if when it breaks, but not at swing. Okay. For the sell, I'm gonna take. That's gonna be like risky a bit, but I'm gonna secure at least to TP2, TP3. You know, secure and leave runner always. Okay. Let's see. It might hit, and that's a good area too, and that's a good. So come and watch the euro. Today was like a retracement, like market عم بريح after this big move. Okay. So Lama, you do GU.
Yes, let's see. We have Muhammad Noman. Hi, Noman.
Yes.
You want to share your study?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. You can share.
Yeah, sure. I think it's internet is slow. Let me. Okay, hello everyone. Let me start from monthly. What is happening on monthly? Monthly time frame. Last month it was released now. Now it has been retracing down to retest this level. Retest this support. On weekly we can see we have resistance over here. Now it has been retested. This level will go further down. Okay. Now let's see in daily. Daily we have bearish today. It has been retesting. The way I'm looking to this, see, market has came down a bit. Can also come down. Let's see inside smaller
نومان
time frame.
guys حدا سامع نومان؟
Yeah,
Can you raise your voice a little bit, Noman?
yeah, sure.
Yes.
I don't
Now,
think
I think everybody can hear now.
Yes, better.
Yeah, what I was saying for in daily, the price has came down. Now it has been retracing up to come down. Okay. What I say in 4 hour as it is same. Let me mark this resistance. This resistance we have over here support. If this breaking of this support, we can eventually come down. Okay, let's see in 1 hour. In 1 hour, we actually came down. See, breaking down. Now it has been retesting. In 30 minutes, we see it exactly the same. But I won't look for any trades now because I'm waiting for volume timings. I just trade in volume timings because I trade on very smaller time frame. That's why I will look for only volume times. If market exactly looks like this, I will go for buy. If potential breaking of this, if potential closing of this, I go for sell. Next, where will be my target points? Okay, this will see. This is one support. This will be my target point. There is one more support. This will be my target point. This is how I look for trades. Okay. Today it was a news day. Eventually, news was very negative for the gold. It was positive for the price of US. That's why it retraced up and came down. After some times, it made a it consolidated price over here. After 9 p.m., it just went down. This is how you have to wait for the volume. The volume broke down and gave you like 50 pips. 50 pips. This range is more than more than 68 pips, at least we can catch half of it. See, like 300 pips. At least we should not always look for very high, very, very high pips. Okay. Yeah, one more thing I want to tell you this. I always, whenever I see this pattern, it's very, very good pattern I see. See, this is very good pattern. I see this all the time. So many times I see this pattern in every pairs. This is the best pattern I have found, it seems. This pattern is called head and shoulder pattern. Everybody knows who knows this concept and all. Head and shoulder patterns are very best pattern, I think so. Every time, if you go for daily, you can also find out here. See, this is what I was looking. Put the test. See, head and shoulder pattern. It came eventually down. See, here one more head and shoulder pattern. This pattern works really amazing. Came down. Okay. See, you have to analyze yourself. You will learn it. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you, Noman. Now I will share my screen. Okay, so today, look what a beautiful retracement. It reversed, it retraced down after the news on the US dollar. Today, we were like stagnating. Let's see sorry, 1 hour. So I was here. I got stuck in the trade. It was going down, then going up, going down. At the end, I went out of the trade, but it took the sell. Okay, so mainly I should have left it, but I was a little bit skeptic because I always try to get out of the market before the news. Okay, so this is the thing, because I don't like to leave a trade during a news happening. I might not know the effect. Maybe it will be against the trend that I'm taking. So that's why I prefer to be secure, to have zero trade better than a losing trade. This is my strategy. But for people, let's say with bigger accounts, with the risk management, like it depends on your risk management also. Also today I told everyone who were taking with me the trade that I can bear 20 pips from the sell, from the stop loss, I mean, even if my stop loss was higher. Okay, because I have a small account for my personal trades. So that's why I prefer to close the trade. I closed it on entry, but anyway, the study was correct, this is what I care now, to see my successful trades hitting, and then I will increase my account and I will be able to take more risks, but to leave a trade. That's why we can benefit from also the funded account that I will have this week, hopefully this Friday. I will start with my funded with the challenge. Okay, so let's go back and we can see here all this way down. We've been going down for a long time. If we see here the weekly. Okay, and now we started breaking this downtrend and we started a new trend, an uptrend. Okay, so mainly it reached this support line, which is a strong one, and it didn't break it in any way. It was reaching here, then going up, reaching here, going up, and now we are changing the direction. Okay, so we see it going up. So this is the weekly. And for the daily, we see it clearly here. We had this move up yesterday, and today, of course, we were retracing. Mainly, we are retracing down, which is a wick formation, I think. And this all red one. Let me remove the orders. Okay, so here, this red one, this red candle here, this is a wick preparing to go up again, because what I believe we are in a bullish move for the GBP. Of course, I prefer to wait for the close of this market and the open tomorrow to see how it will be, how the trend will be forming. But of course, after all the retrace, always we have a retracement for a move either up or down. This is 100% for sure. Okay, so the retracement according to Fibonacci, okay. If we see here the retracement starting here, it retraced around 38.2. لحظة شوي. Let me draw it here on the daily. Okay, so because I want to see the retracement of all this way up, so I use the Fibonacci retracement. Okay, so I want to see the retracement of the way up. So I start from the beginning of this way up till the end of this way up, okay, to draw the Fibonacci. And here I check how much it went down. Okay, so here the numbers inside the Fibonacci will give me the retracement in percentage, how much it retraces. Like these numbers are scientific numbers that proves that each up has a retracement down and vice versa. So here it reached almost 38.2, which is 0.382. Okay, it might go down maybe till 50%. It retraced 50% of the way up. Okay, and it might reach here and then start going up tomorrow. I prefer to see tomorrow. What I want to share with you also is the Elliott waves formation. Okay, so here I leave this these studies here, the Elliott waves on a trading platform, TradingView, and I have another one for trend lines, okay, and daily trades. So here, if we see, let's forget this part and focus on this part here. Okay, so here we see, and I will explain a little bit, even if it is a little bit advanced for some people, but everything, you can find all the trainings and the videos and what I am about to explain. So the Elliott waves are we have 5 waves, main waves, let's say, wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3 corrective waves, which are against this trend. Here we see an up trends, here we see down trends. Okay, so this half is different than this half. These are corrective waves, correction of the up, which is the down. Okay, so we always have the first wave, and then we have the retracement of this wave. As I mentioned before, for each up, I have a down, and each down, I have an up trend. Okay, so here, okay, let's do it simple. Okay, so this is the retracement. The wave 2 is the retracement of the wave 1. Then I have the wave 3. Then I have the retracement of the wave 3, which is wave 4. Then I have wave 5. Then I have the correction waves. The wave A is the retracement of 5. Here also wave B is the retracement of wave A. And here I have the extension, or it continues its direction, which is down. Okay. Now, for the Elliott waves, here wave 4 should be higher than wave 1. Here the point at 4 should be higher than 1. These are the rules. And also the third wave should be the tallest one between all of them. Okay. How can I have a very important rule that people forget to see and check. I always need to check the Fibonacci retracement at extensions for the Elliott waves, mainly if they are not like meeting the rules, the Fibonacci. I kind of consider this as an Elliott wave. It's not 100% an Elliott wave if I don't makes like the Fibonacci retracement at the extension for the Elliott wave. Let's start. The first wave, it happens, okay? So I do not know, يعني I cannot measure it mainly. It happens. I predict that this is an Elliott wave, okay? Because I'm seeing it going up. And plus, in addition, why I chose this to be an Elliott wave for now, okay? Because when I study here the retracement, يعني wave 2 is the retracement of 1. To understand more why it is an Elliott wave, here when I do the retracement of the Fibonacci retracement, I see here it reach, it's hard to see the numbers, but it reached 0.74 or 74%. Okay, because here from the numbers, the numbers of the Elliott waves are that the ones that I told you that measures the retracement. So it can reach here 74%. So mainly this is like a wave of Elliott wave. Okay, then I will draw the extension. So now the retracement is correct. I will continue. So now, until now, the movement is up. Even if it retraces a little bit, it's okay, because mainly in each Elliott wave, in each wave, I have 5 also waves and 3 corrective waves. So it's a long story. Yani Elliott waves is very advanced, but we keep it simple as much as we can. Even I don't trade the inside waves of the Elliott waves. Okay, so now we are going up. Mainly, we are up. To check the extension and see until which point it might reach, let's say, always we have 90% like from the measures and the studies. We use the Fibonacci extension, trend-based Fibonacci extension. To measure the extension, I need to start from the extension. Okay, so I click one click here, and I scroll here like this. I only move the mouse. Okay, so mainly the extension should reach maximum 1.618. يعني مرة ونص, يعني 1.5 it should be. Okay, it might reach also here, يعني it doesn't have to be on the number correctly, but around this here, around this number. Okay, mainly here, it might be here, might be a little bit here, it's fine, يعني it's the market. Okay, so this is the extension, and then I have here the retracement of this extension. Also, I go back to Fibonacci retracement. So all the retracement, I use the Fibonacci retracement here, also here. And for the extensions, I use the Fibonacci extensions, okay? Because yani, if you want, you can use the Fibonacci extension for the waves with the market, okay? Yani, with the trend, what I mean. For the opposite side, which is the retracement, يعني التريحة, it's always the Fibonacci retracement because it's the opposite trend of the main trend, let's say. So now to check or to measure this retracement, this downtrend, okay, which is opposite of this one, I need to try, يعني I start from this up move, okay, to see how much it will retrace from this up. لأنه هيدي this retracement يعني it is based on يعني the extension of this one. Otherwise, we don't have this one if I didn't have the extension first. So this is the down of the up. Okay, hopefully I'm explaining correctly. يعني the idea is clear. Okay, so here the extension might reach 38.2, it might reach 50, but mainly it should be higher than 1. Okay, so يعني it should be higher than 1 here. يعني maximum here, maximum 50%. If it's here, it's not considered as like the Elliott wave, like the correct Elliott waves. Okay, so it's not an Elliott wave anymore, mainly. يعني. Okay, maybe the news will affect the movement of the Elliott wave, and it will not be like 100% Elliott wave, يعني not even 50, يعني it's not correct. Okay, so let's say here, this is the retracement. Okay, so and here I have the extension. Extension of what? Expecting the extension from this extension, I need to measure it. So now again, trend-based extension, click one click, the other click, and I move like this. Okay, so I see the extension, mainly it should reach, let's say, 78 or 74, or I'm touching this one, but it should not be higher than 3. Okay, so mainly it can reach here. Okay, for the retracement or the corrective waves, so also if you notice, we have this head and shoulder pattern formation. Okay, so mainly this is like the correct form. Yani when you see the Elliott waves and the 3 corrective waves, you will see also the pattern, this head and shoulder, and this is the correct Elliott wave. Here you know that your study is correct. Okay, so this one is a corrective wave of all this way up, يعني retracement. So now it is a retracement. I use the Fibonacci retracement from all this way up. I check this retracement, boom. So it should reach here, maximum here, يعني 74. Also should be higher than here because we are in a different direction now. Okay, maybe here 61.8, maybe 50. Okay, but mainly 61.8, يعني it should be here. Oops. Let me remove. And here we have the sorry, also this one is a retracement. By the way, always remember that A and wave B are retracements. So you use Fibonacci retracement only here. Okay, so because here is a retracement, here it is a retracement of this way up, لأنه here we have a change in the direction of the trend. So always remember this one is a retracement and also this one is a retracement. So also here we use the Fibonacci retracement, which is the retracement of wave A, and see where it reaches. Okay, so it reached maybe 50%, 61.8, so here mainly. And for the extension, this last wave, it is an extension because now we are directing down. So I have an extension. I use the Fibonacci extension of this wave because it is a down also wave, same direction of this one. Fibonacci extension, 1, 2, and I leave it like this. I can see where it is going down. Okay, I wanted to explain the Elliott wave and its deep details. Maybe I took a little bit of time from you guys, but hopefully it was clear. Miguel, do you like to add anything? I went into details, يعني details. You're welcome. Okay, so now I will leave the session for the Q&A. I will stop recording.